Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Samsung Galaxy S25 camera test after 6 months. By the way, I am already making this smartphone long time for review and also gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. Galaxy S25 come with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel selfie camera. So first of all talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30 fps video and you also record 4K 30 and 60 fps video. 1080p you can record 30, 60, 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with 10-bit HDR10 support with EIS. So now I am recording 4K 60 fps. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone video quality. Now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a good pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are very good. And as you can see that we are also take a good pictures. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone main camera picture quality. Color are so accurate and also lot of details in a picture. Now talk about the 12 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. Yeah, you also take a good ultra wide pictures with the S25. The ultra wide pictures are very close to main camera pictures. Daylight, low light and night. Every time you can get a good pictures with the ultra wide. Now talk about the portrait pictures. You can get 1x, 2x, 3x and 5x portrait mode. Portrait pictures also very good. All the image color are so accurate and also lot of details in a picture. And as you can see that we are taking a good portrait. So what about the night portrait? And this is night portrait pictures. So let me know in the comment what do you think about this smartphone portrait mode. Alright, now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel main sensor also take a good photo in a night. All the images have a lot of details and color are so accurate, and as you can see that we are also take a good photo in a night. So if you have a good lighting condition you can definitely take a excellent photo with your Galaxy S25. Overall the camera experience are awesome. So if you looking for a budget friendly flagship style camera quality, I think Galaxy S25 is the best choice for you. So let me know in the comment what you think about Galaxy S25 camera quality. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more tech review like this. And I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.